Hi everyone, it's Tom here from Tech Nexus, and thanks for joining me on today's video. What I wanted to cover before we got into continuing with our plant project is just something that people come across when they do a new project, and whether it involves Autodesk products or other competing products, it's always a good idea just to take a step back and maybe whiteboard what you're seeing on the screen in regards to what you have and what the software can do in regards to transferring the data from one package to another. So you can see there on the screen we've got the plant software, we've got advanced steel, vehicle tracking, civil, and others. But from this diagram you can see it's a good visual way to see that we can go from Navisworks to InfraWorks, and we can go from InfraWorks to Navisworks as well. So we know that's a two-way street, and it's easy just with one click of a button. Some of the software might be a little bit trickier in regards to something like Advanced Steel and Revit, where you have to export to another particular file format, but we can synchronize that file back and forth between Revit and Advanced Steel, as you can see there, as a part of our two-way street. Same thing with Plant. We can go from Plant into Advanced Steel and then XREF that model back. So again, don't think you're limited in regards to the way you work. Do something like this. If you need to, just send me a comment on LinkedIn or make a comment below and let me know. Otherwise, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you liked it, click on the like button. If you didn't, click the dislike button, but feel free to save the notifications here so you'll get my daily dose of tech videos. See ya.